If you don't have this Game Turbo icon on your Redmi phone, you need to create it. Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create and add on a home screen the Game Turbo icon. So here I have a Redmi Note 15. It's the same also for 15 Pro and other Xiaomi Redmi phones. And to create the Game Turbo icon on your phone, you need to go to security, and here we have Game Turbo. Tap to go inside. Wait for a few seconds. And here we have the settings gear icon. Tap on it and just swipe. And here we have home screen shortcut. Just tap here to enable this feature. And now it's created a home screen shortcut. And now I will exit. And here is the home screen. And if I swipe to the right, this is the Game Turbo icon, and also from here you can open this feature. So I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.